wind blowing from the east. That's a bad omen.
The first tournament in 3 years.
Those are the toughest fighters in the world.
Is this some kind of collector or what? That ain't no proof. Oh, this place is a pigsty.
Aiden, hurry up. Someone's coming your way.
Ah, great.
Get out of there, now!
Here's something. Wait, what the hell? Oh, fuck! That's human skin! Hakon! I found the tattoo they cut out of Lucas. Damn freaks.
What?
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
Get the hell out of there! We detonate already!
Why are you going through my sister's stuff? Didn't know they were hiring pilgrims as housekeepers in this hole.
Are you shedding skin, Barney?
What the fuck is... We
A
didn't...
little piece of Lucas to remember him by, you sicko?
Fuck you. Nice try. But that ain't mine. I'll kill you, you son of a bitch! No one will miss you. Hakon can't save you. Gonna kill you, traitor! Feel that? Take that, Pilgrim! Die, traitor! You're done for, Aiden! Gonna make you bleed! Slay! Gotcha, asshole! You traitor! You're done for, Aiden!
Here's some...
Turn your back on us, will you? Take that, Phil. Hakon can't save you. Can't you do better?
Where's the girl?
She wasn't here.
She hasn't shown her face anywhere for a good couple of hours.
Do you know what it means?
He wanted to show off. Son of a bitch wanted to prove that he killed Lucas. So you a cannibal now or some shit, Barney? It wasn't me! It's him! He framed me!
Okay, we're taking him to the station. He'll give us the whole story soon enough. You did good, Aiden. Meet me in my office. Time to fulfill my end of the deal.
Aiden? You're Aiden.
Time to clear out, fellas! No, not now! We will
Sometimes I wake up at night and forget the fall even happened. That's about the only smile.
How do you like Villador so far?
Hang on. Something alright's going on. You've got to be... We got a live one! Payback time! Take this! It's on now! I'm warning you.
Better stay the fuck back. Duck! Gotcha! Responsible for the Black Monday bombings and the death of 2 million people.
Can't play games with the Butcher. We all know what he's capable of.
Anybody else seeing this?
See you, fuckface! No escape now. You're dead now, fucker. You're mine now. I've got...
You want some of this? Over here, asshole!
Can you believe this? What the shit? You can't be serious.
Man, what I wouldn't give for a warm bed or a cold beer. PK rules must be enforced. Otherwise, civilization will go to shit again.
The Butcher's our greatest enemy. He's
Browsing
responsible for the
by,
Black Monday
it's the name of
bombings
the
and the
game.
death of 2 million people. I got your 6. Move on, soldier.
You'll be packing now.
That could save you in a pinch.
I hope you'll recommend my shop.
Already told me that.
Just when I think I've seen everything,
Howdy,
something new
soldier.
comes up.
You're frowning again.
You killed the commander. Where'd you get the idea? Your sick head? Or from your little sister?
Fuck you! I hated the guy more than most. But even I'm not stupid enough to have killed him.
You know, whenever I catch someone, even red-handed, they deny it till the very end.
Maybe you are stupid enough to have done that. Maybe you're a moron even.
You trying to piss me off so I kill you right here? No, that's not my game. You're gonna be tried and convicted.
Why did you carve out his tattoo?
I'm telling you, I don't know, because I didn't do it. I go crazy sometimes, sure, but I ain't no fucking psycho.
Oh, you're the biggest psycho I know. I bet someone ordered you to kill Lucas and you had to bring them proof. Simple.
Focus, you fucking PK. I told you, it wasn't me, understand?
Prove it.
Fuck! Even I know asking me to prove a negative means you got nothing. Don't they teach you that in PK school, you fucking fuck?
Waste of time.
So you kill Lucas. What happens next?
I don't know, asshole. Because I didn't do it. Hurt me, and I'll take revenge. But I'm not a cold-blooded killer.
Forget it, Aiden. Punks like him just want to cause chaos, their favorite flavor. We're done here. This idiot won't tell the truth.
Why would I lie? I have less to gain by lying to you than I did if I'd killed Lucas. Which I didn't.
Don't expect rational thought from anyone who needs a separate brain just to control his sphincter.
You're the one talking out of his asshole. Give me a fucking break.
This piece of skin is evidence. Solid evidence. Let's not waste any more time on this piece of garbage, Aiden. He'll get a trial, followed by a death sentence soon enough.
What about our agreement?
It still stands. Go to the metro tunnels. I'll meet you there after we've disposed of Barney. But there's one more thing. I need a favor.
Well?
Once you get to the center, my wife and kids are there. Will you give them something for me? And tell them that I'm safe?
You don't have anyone you trust more to handle this for you?
Maybe I don't.
As long as this isn't arsenic and you're not setting me up.
It's not. The address is on it.